Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take care of dry feet during the winter. You don't have to wait till April or the summer to rock those beautiful feet. You can start now and maintain them regularly so you can have healthy looking feet. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the product that I'm going to be using to take care of my dry feet during the winter. And I'm going to be showing you the foot soak that I have, the mask that I'm going to be using, and I'm also using a callus shaver, and I'm going to be showing you how to use that as well. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So first off, let me just show you the Kiss foot and toenail mask socks that I'm going to be using after I soak my feet in the chamomile and lavender foot soak. And I will be using my callus shaver after I soaked my feet. So here is a tub of warm water that I'm going to be adding the foot soak to, and I will let it mix. As you see, the water is bubbling right now to mix the foot soak, and I'm going to put my feet in there and give it a good soak. And after I did that for a while, I will be using my callus shaver to gently remove all the old skin from my heel. I don't have a lot of callus and dry skin as I do this regularly, so it makes it a lot easier. And with this tool, I would use it gently as it have a razor, so you don't want to injure yourself while you're doing this. So it's this is a sped up clip, so I am doing my heel and just removing whatever dry skin that I have, and then after that I just soak my feet and dry it and see if I can remove some more of this dead skin before I go ahead and apply the mask. This method usually helps open up your pores and help the skin absorb most of the nutrients that are available in this foot mask. That way you will end up with soft skin and no dry, cracked heels. So you will get 2 sock pouches. What you need to do is wear those nutrient-packed socks on your feet and leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove them, rinse your feet, and then you are ready to paint your toes. And another thing I did while I was wearing these socks, I decided to massage my heel to help soak up most of the nutrients and oils, and that definitely gave my foot a healthy, nourished look. So now that I'm ready to wash and dry my feet, I went ahead and brought my toenail painting kit, and I started by removing all the dead skin from around my cuticles and push them back. That definitely makes your nail polish looks on point with the clean edges on your cuticles. Then I am going to be using a base coat nail polish to help protect my nails from any discoloration that might happen from the longer wear of nail polish. As you see here, I picked a black color, and that extra barrier that I am applying now will definitely help keep my nails healthy looking after I remove the nail polish. I always like to keep a couple of Q-tips ready on the side just in case I make a mistake while I am painting my nails. That way I can remove the flaws with the Q-tips before the nail polish dries. And now moving on to the fun part, and that is applying the nail stickers randomly on my nails. And after that, I will be using a top coat. The container that I was using for the nail polish, it's actually a base coat and top coat, so that's a double advantage from that. And also the top coat will help protect your nail polish and the nail stickers from getting scuffed up, and it will give it that extra shiny look. I always look forward to doing my own pedicure because I find it very relaxing and enjoyable, and it helps maintain a healthy looking feet, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do it if you do it on regular basis. And that is how I do my pedicure on regular basis. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please share, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.